11 General Order to take charge of this post and all government properties in view. 2. To walk my post in military manner, keeping always on the alert and observing everything that takes place within sight or hearing. 3. To report all violation of order I am instructed to enforce. 4. To repeat all calls from post more distance from the guardhouse than my own. 5. To quit my post only when properly relieved. 6. To receive, obey, and pass to the sentinel who relieves me all order from the commanding officer, officer of the day, and non-commissioned officer of the guard only. 7. To talk to no one except in line of duty, to give an alarm in case of fire and disorder. 9. To call the commander of the relief in any case not covered by the instruction. 10. To salute all officers, all colors and standard not is. 11. To be especially wakeful at night and during the time of challenging and silent on person on or near my post to allow no one to pass without proper authority. Security guards brief. As a security guard, my fundamental duty is to protect life and properties and maintain order within the civity or place of duty, protect the interests of my employer and our client, and the security and the stability of our government and country without compromise and prejudice, honest in my action, word and thought, and do my best to uphold the principle of maka-Diyos, makabayan at makatao. Ethical standard. As a security guard detective, his fundamental duty is to serve the interests or mission of this agency in compliance with the contract entered into the client of and customer of the agency he is to serve thus. 1. He shall be honest in thought and deed both in his official actuation, obeying the laws of the land and regulation prescribed by his agency and those established by the company he is supposed to serve. 2. He shall not reveal any confidential matter committed to him as a security guard and such added matters imposed upon him by law. 3. He shall act all times with decorum and shall not permit personal feelings, prejudice, and undue friendship to influence his action in the performance of his official function. 4. He shall not compromise with criminal and other lawless elements to the prejudice of the customer or clients and shall assist government relentless drive against lawlessness and other form of criminality. 5. He shall carry out his assigned duty as required by law to the best of his ability and shall safeguard life and property of the establishment he is assigned to. He shall wear his uniform badge, patches, and insignia properly as a symbol of public trust and confidence as a honest and trustworthy security guard, watchman, and private detective. 7. He shall keep his allegiance for the government he is assigned to serve with loyalty and utmost dedication. He shall diligently and progressively familiarize with the rules and regulations laid down by his agency and those of the customer or clients. Number 9. He shall at all times be courteous, respectful, and salute his superior officer, government official, and official of the establishment where he assigned and the company he is supposed to serve. 10. He shall report for duty always in proper uniform and neat in his appearance too, and in his appearance and 11. He shall learn at heart and strictly observe the laws and regulations governing the use of firearms. Conduct 1. He shall carry with him at all times during his tour of duty his license, identification card, and duty detail order with an authority to carry firearms. 2. He shall not use his license and privilege to the prejudice of the public, the client or customer, and his agency. 3. He shall not engage in any unnecessary conversation with anybody except in the discharge of his work, and shall at all times keep himself alert during his tour of duty. 4. He shall not read newspaper, magazine, books, it while actually performing his duty. 5. He shall not drink any intoxicating liquor immediately before and during his tour of duty. 6. He shall know the location of the alarm box near his post and sound the alarm in case of fire of disorder. 7. He shall know how to operate any fire extinguisher at his post. 8. He shall know the location of the telephone and or telephone number of the police present, as well as the telephone number of the fire station in the locality. 9. He shall immediately notify the police in case of any sign of disorder, strict riot, or any serious violation of the law. 10. He or his group or guard shall not participate or integrate in any disorder, strict riot, or any serious violation of the law. 11. He shall assist the police in the preservation and maintenance of peace and order and the protection of life, property, having in mind that the nature of the responsibilities is similar to that of the latter. 12. He shall familiarize himself with the Private Security Agency Law RA 5487 as amended, and the PNP is implementing rules and regulations. 13. When issue a pass, he shall not lend his pass to anybody. Code of Conduct 14. He shall always in proper uniform and shall always carry with him his basic requirements and equipment such as writing notebook, ballpen, nightstick, baton, and or radio. He shall